The ERP Cloud Toolbox Finance module makes recording manual payments for invoices easy. Let's take a look. If we've paid invoices outside of Oracle Payables, we'll need to mark those invoices as paid. To do that, we download the open invoices for our supplier. So we choose that as our download source. And there's what's outstanding. Now we've made 2 payments in our external ERP, so we'll put those in the worksheet. We remove the rows we don't need and set out our payment details. We can use formulas and all the features of Excel. We can also use default values, so we don't need to enter in the same values over and over again in the worksheet. And that lets the toolbox do our data entry for us. And now we add the invoices for each payment document. We put in the amount, and we'll add in the rest of the invoices that were paid on each of the 2 checks. And we can ignore the invoices that weren't part of the payment. And then we simply press Upload. The manual payments are created in Oracle, and the invoice is marked as paid. And we can review what was in a payment with a simple download. So we'll download the manual payment this time, not open invoices. And there's our check payment, complete with the invoices which it paid for. Couldn't be easier. You can't do it in ADFdi or FBDI, and everything was done in one simple spreadsheet. There's a whole host of other great features in the Finance module. You can find out more by going to our website or reaching out to a More4apps sales rep.